Here's an audio narration about the use of a 750 kV ampere dry-type transformer in a building. Let's explore why engineers might hesitate to use such a large dry-type transformer, even though it could potentially solve a space issue. One reason is the limited application. 750 kV ampere dry-type transformers aren't commonly seen in residential buildings. Typically, residential applications fall within the range of 100 to 500 kV amperes. Another factor is the cost and availability. These larger transformers are generally more expensive than smaller ones, and they may have longer lead times for delivery. Temperature limitations also play a role. Dry-type transformers tend to be less efficient compared to oil-filled transformers, leading to higher operating temperatures. A 750 kV ampere transformer will generate a significant amount of heat and might require additional cooling measures to prevent overheating. Maintenance is another consideration. Dry-type transformers need regular maintenance, including cleaning and inspection, and a larger transformer will naturally have increased maintenance needs due to its size and complexity. Space considerations are also crucial, as the 750 kV ampere transformer's physical size and weight are significant factors. Finally, we also need to consider future expansion. If the building's electrical load increases over time, a 750 kV ampere transformer might eventually become insufficient. It might be more practical to use multiple smaller transformers that can be easily added or replaced as needed. However, there are situations where using a 750 kV ampere dry-type transformer could be a valid option. For instance, if space is severely limited and there's no room for multiple smaller transformers, the larger transformer might be the only feasible choice. Also, if the load calculations show that the electrical demand for 3 floors exceeds 500 kV amperes, then a 750 kV ampere transformer may be necessary to provide adequate capacity. Cost comparison is important. If the total cost of a 750 kV ampere transformer, including installation, is comparable to the combined cost of multiple smaller transformers, then it could be a cost-effective solution. And if 750 kV ampere dry-type transformers are readily available in your area, it could potentially reduce project delays. Ultimately, the decision depends on a careful assessment of the specific project requirements. It's a good idea to consult with experienced engineers, transformer manufacturers, and electrical contractors to evaluate the feasibility and potential risks associated with using a 750 kV ampere dry-type transformer in your building.